Hello everyone, welcome to our video. I am Dr. Ishu, a neurospecialist at Bharat Homeopathy. I have profound knowledge and experience in treating the brain disorders. In today's video, you will understand what paralysis is, how it occurs, what its underlying causes and symptoms, and how a homeopathic system of medicines can treat paralysis holistically. Your brain and spinal cord are two main parts of your central nervous system that are responsible for the control and coordination of body functions. Any injury or harm to your brain or spinal cord can dismantle your various neural activities. And paralysis is also one of the neurological disorders that occurs due to damage to your nervous system, your brain or spinal cord. Okay, so now let us first discuss what paralysis is. Paralysis is a loss of the ability to move or control muscles. This happens due to damage to the nervous system, your brain or spinal cord. When your brain or spinal cord gets damaged, the message to move the muscles can't pass from your brain to your muscles. Hence, your brain loses control of your muscle movement. Well, you might have seen many people with paralysis affecting their different body parts. It could be in either of the limbs, mouth and face, etc. Paralysis can occur suddenly or may take time to develop. In some cases, paralysis can be permanent, while in others, it can be temporary or sometimes come and go. In the US, almost 5.4 million people are living with paralysis, or you can say that 1 out of 50 Americans is suffering from paralysis. I know this is something which may shock you, but don't worry. I will tell you a better treatment option that will rescue you from paralysis in this video's end, so stay tuned. So now I tell you the types of paralysis. I mean where paralysis can occur in your body. So let's begin. The first is monoplegia. It affects just your one limb. It may be either of your arm or leg. You can see in the picture, if you have this type of paralysis, only a single limb of your body will be affected. The second is diplegia. In this type, you can see that paralysis affects the same area on both sides of your body. It may occur on your both legs, arms, or face sides. Now the third type is hemiplegia. In hemiplegia, you can see that paralysis occurs on either side of your body, be it right or left. This may occur due to brain stroke. The fourth type is paraplegia. You can clearly see that if one has this type of paralysis, the lower half of the body will be affected. It may typically be there both legs. This type of paralysis may occur due to spinal cord injury. Now the fifth type is quadriplegia. In quadriplegia, you can see in the picture that all four limbs are affected. This type may occur due to severe cord injury or some neurological conditions. Now I guide you on the symptoms that can help you to understand when you should call on your doctor. Let's begin discussing these symptoms now. The first common symptom of paralysis that you will face is difficulty or inability to move certain muscles or limbs. This is a general characteristic of paralysis that you lose control over your certain body parts. You will feel numbness or lack of sensation in the affected body parts. This happens due to damaged or delayed neural transmission. You may feel weakness in the muscles that are not even fully paralyzed. Nerve damage can cause pain in some affected areas of the body. So you may experience pain in the affected parts, especially in the lower limbs. You may experience uncontrollable muscle spasms or stiffness in the affected body parts. In some severe cases of paralysis, you may experience respiratory issues and the inability to swallow. Alright, I have explained to you some common symptoms of paralysis that will give you a general idea of how this condition may manifest. Now I will take you to what actually causes this condition to develop. I will discuss what could be its underlying causes. The first cause of paralysis can be a stroke. You develop a stroke when blood flow to certain parts of your brain gets interrupted, leading to degeneration of brain cells and eventually results in paralysis. You may develop paralysis due to a traumatic injury. Accidental or sports injuries can damage your spinal cord, resulting in the development of either permanent or temporary paralysis. Brain injuries like traumatic brain injury (TBI) may also lead to the occurrence of paralysis. The fourth cause of paralysis can be this is a congenital brain disorder, meaning it is developed before or during the birth of a child. This can cause varying degrees of paralysis, especially in the limbs. The fifth cause of paralysis can be an autoimmune condition like multiple sclerosis. This is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects the central nervous system, your brain, spinal cord, and optic nerve. It weakens your muscles and leads to paralysis over time. Paralysis can also occur due to certain neurological diseases like amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, and Parkinson's disease. These conditions occur due to degeneration of nerve cells, leading to muscle weakness and paralysis over time. Well, there were some possible underlying causes of paralysis. Since paralysis is a neurodegenerative disease, it can occur due to any fault in the central nervous system, be it in any order or injury. I know paralysis can make your life troublesome. You find yourself where you can't do your choice of activities, your favorite sports, games, dance, or exercise. But don't worry, your paralysis can be solved with a holistic system of medicines, a healthy diet, and paralysis-friendly exercise. Yes, homeopathy can offer you great relief in your paralysis, and you can feel the confidence of moving your body parts again. Homeopathic medicines go directly into the system through your tongue and start acting in your body. And one more benefit is that these small pills are completely side effect free and carry medicinal power in their potencies. Your paralysis can only be effectively treated with holistic medicines that address your both physical and psychological symptoms, taking a constitutional approach to healing. At Bharat Homeopathy, we are a team of experienced doctors who work under a single roof to treat paralysis patients worldwide and give them the confidence to feel the motion again. We have treated thousands of patients with our personalized and customized treatment regime. Call us today and begin your journey towards a life free from paralysis with our personalized treatment and care. I hope you liked this video. Please share it with others who might benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related information. Thanks. Have a great day.